Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. My name is Malebo Mokoen and I'm the first enrolled nursing auxiliary YouTuber in South Africa. Welcome to day 10, baby, day 10 of Vlogtober versus Shortstober. In today's video, we are doing a home remedy that has been in my family generation for years, okay? I have heard a lot of people complaining about having a sore throat, irritation on the throat, cough of some sort. So I took it upon myself to share this remedy. I know in most African families, they know this recipe and it's okay. It's okay if it's also been in your family. So I will be showing you shortly what we are cooking. Before we get to that, I need to make a little bit of disclaimer because I know you guys, I know you, I've heard about you. Anyway, I'm not a medical practitioner. I don't give out medication. If the cough persists for more than 3 days, please consult with your doctor, your GP, wherever you consult. And also, do not take any of this ingredient if you have allergies, okay? So yeah, without wasting further time, I'm going to share with you the ingredient and then we cook. Let's do this. Okay, you are going to need your garlic, okay, your raw ginger, okay, 1 lemon, all right, and honey. Trust me, in here it is honey. Only South African families do this. Yeah, the reason why we put I don't know if you can see me. Okay, maybe that's better. The reason why we put honey in a bottle is because of ant. If you put it in the original bottle, ants crawl up there and get inside the bottle and your honey is ruined. Okay, so inside the bottle, they only get trapped somewhere around here and we make sure we wipe it every now and then. But I don't know with a bottle why it does that. But anyway, enough about that. So I am going to run you through what I'm going to do. I will be grating my ginger and chopping my garlic and slicing my lemon. Okay, so I will run a montage from here. Okay, we are done. This is the long version of the recipe. So I am going to show you the shorter version of a recipe whereby in this instance you're going to use it if you feel like you are starting to have an irritation or you cough persistently when you try to sleep. So this helps in relieving that, okay? You are going to need your ginger, right? The powder one. You need the powdered ginger. You need a slice of a lemon and honey, of course. So you're gonna take your powdered ginger, right, and a tip of your spoon. I'm using this because it's easier to work with. You need a pinch like this, a pinch of your ground ginger. You put it on a spoon, and then you need a little bit of honey, you also put it there, and then you also need few drops of lemon, like this. Okay, you mix it together, mix, and then what you want is this. Okay, you want something like this. So you are done, then you are good to drink. It's so nice. You are good to drink, and then that's it. That's all you need to do. So after your remedy has cooled down, you're gonna need to store it. You need to store it away in a fridge or in a bottle or wherever. So I am going to show you now. I make sure I get a strainer to strain the little pieces inside, because of my child doesn't like the pieces that we made, the grated ginger and garlic. So I'm making a mess. Oh, okay, it's done. And then pour in a bottle. Okay, now that it's stored, I am going to pop this in the fridge, and during the night, at night, before we go to sleep, I will take half a cup of this and give half a cup to my child, and then that is it. You must consume this within 7 days, because normally by 3 days it's done and the cough is gone. So whenever you're feeling like you are having a throat irritation or something, you drink this. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you on day 11. Bye.